Good morning everyone. I Aditya from BSc Chemistry Honors first year is today here to make the video on the topic the p-block elements. Let's start with introduction. In the previous chapter we have made a comparative study of the hydride, oxide, oxyacid and halide of p-block element. Herein we shall take up the discussion of the specific topics which were not covered earlier. First topic is chemistry of fullerene. Introduction. Prior to 1972, only 6 crystalline forms of a elemental carbon were known, namely 2 of diamond, 2 of graphite, chiot and carbon 6. The chiot was discovered in 1986 while carbon 6 was discovered in 1972. In 1985, Dr. Robert F. Curl of USA, Dr. Harold W. Kroto of UK, and Dr. Richard E. Smalley of USA discovered new form of elemental carbon called fullerenes. In fullerenes, a large number of carbon atoms are arranged in closed shell. Since the carbon atoms in the shell could vary, this resulted in numerous new structures for carbon. In recognition for their own work on fullerenes, Dr. Curl, Dr. Kroto, and Dr. Smalley were rewarded with the Nobel Prizes in Chemistry in 1996. The formation of fullerene. An intense pulse of laser light is directed at a carbon surface when atomic sized carbon is produced when mixed with a helium gas. The gaseous mixture is then led to a vacuum chamber where it expands and at the same time get cooled to some degrees above absolute zero. As a result, clusters of carbons are formed which are analyzed with the mass spectrometry. It was found that most abundant cluster contained 60 carbon atoms, but some cluster contains even 70 carbon atoms. The structure of fullerene. The cluster of 60 carbon atoms were found to be most abundant and most stable. This suggests that in carbon 60 molecular structure had great symmetry, hence it was suggested that carbon 60 could be truncated isohedron cage. In other words, it is a polyhedron with 20 hexagonal surfaces and 12 pentagonal surfaces. This structure resembled like a football. It also resembled geodated dome designed by the American architect R. Buckminster Fuller for Montreal World Exhibition in 1967. Therefore, newly discovered structure was named Buckminster Fullerene. In 1990, W. Krechmaker and Dr. Huffman actually isolated carbon 60 and confirmed its structure. For chemists, the proposed structure of fullerene was unique and interesting. It corresponds to an aromatic three-dimensional system having alternate single and double bond. The properties of fullerene is the carbon 60 compound that was fullerene is stable species as cluster 660 did not interact with hydrogen and 2 carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, oxygen and ammonia. The carbon 60 structure is hollow with room for one or more other atoms. In fact, the presence of species such as carbon 16 lanthanum and carbon 16 L2 plus has confirmed the mass spectroscopy. The importance of fullerene. The discovery of fullerene has led to the development of entirely new branch of chemistry with many applications as it is possible to produce superconducting salt of carbon 60 to the formation of new three-dimensional polymer to produce new catalyst. New material having electrical and optical properties for sensor will be produced soon. Carbides. Carbon can form compounds with element lesser as well as greater electronegativity than itself. Compounds in which carbon is combined with the element of lower or about equal electronegativity are called carbides. Example CaC2, Al4C3 and Be2C. Most of the carbide can be classified according to the type of bonding in them as given below. The ionic carbide or salt-like carbide. Carbide of strongly electropositive elements such as group 1, 2 and 3 are ionic substances which contain carbon triple bond carbon 2 negative ions. Thus carbon atom in carbon C2 2 negative is sp hybridized These can be further subdivided into two classes, which are methanized, which are ionic carbide which yield methane on hydrolysis. Example are beryllium carbide, aluminum carbide. Such carbide can contain C4 negative or C34 negative ions having less stable lattices with small cations. The second one is acetylides. These are those ionic carbide which yield acetylene on hydrolysis. Example calcium carbide. These contain discrete C2 negative units. Here the large cations of group 1 and group 2 favor the large C2 negative ion to form the stable lattices. All the acetylides have sodium chloride like lattices. Metallic ions like calcium replaces the sodium, and carbon triple bond carbon to a negative ion occupy the place of chloride ion in sodium chloride structure. The second one is covalent carbide. Compound of carbon with elements of small similar electronegativity are covalent in nature. Example silicon carbide and boron carbide. Silicon carbide, technically known as carborundum, is manufactured by heating of coke with 34%, sand of 54%, and sawdust of 10%, whereas salt of 2% in an electric furnace. The third one is the interstitial carbide. The direct combination of carbon with transition metals, titanium, tungsten, vanadium, are called interstitial carbide. These carbide have some of the metallic properties such as metallic luster, high melting point, extreme hardness, and high electrical conductivity. They are usually non-stoichiometric because of the metallic properties. They are pictured as metallic lattices which contain carbon atom in their interstitial sites. In most of these carbide, metal atoms have cubic close packing and carbon atoms occupy the octahedral holes and thus does not affect the electrical conductivity of the metals. The property and importance of the carbide. Different type of carbide have different properties as discussed above. Carbide 5 finds in extensive application in industries. For example, calcium carbide is used in the preparation of the acetylene, which is starting material in the synthesis of ethyl alcohol, acetic acid, vinyl plastics, and various solvents. Carbides such as silicon carbide are very hard materials which are used as abrasives under the carborundum. Similarly, the boron carbide is also used as an abrasive as a shield from the radiation. Tungsten carbide is used for the cutting tools. The silicon carbide is used as a material of construction for atomic reactors due to its ability withstand high temperature and better thermal conductivity. The fluorocarbons. These are the most amazing compounds of fluorine and having recently gained much importance because of their interesting uses. Fluorocarbons may be considered to be derived from the hydrocarbons by the substitution of fluorine atoms for hydrogen atoms. Thus, the fluorocarbons correspond to the methane is a tetrafluoromethane CF4. Fluorocarbons contain 1 to 20 carbons have been recently prepared. Preparation. The general method of preparation of fluorocarbons are as follows: by the direct carbon and gaseous fluoride. By heating by carbon and 2 fluorine atom, the CF4 is formed. Because risk of explosion, the reaction is hazardous. By action of fluorine with hydrocarbon in presence of inert gas like nitrogen to slow down the reaction, or by the action of SbF3 on chloro derivatives. The carbon tetrachloride, when react with the SbF3, gives CCl2F2 dichloro-difluoromethane and antimony trichloride. By passing the vapors of hydrocarbon over cobalt trifluoride and heated up to 300 degrees Celsius, the fluorocarbons are also formed. Properties. These are dense colorless liquid with faint unpleasant odor. They have abnormally low refractive indices and surface tension. Their boiling points are extremely low relative to their molecular weight. In this respect, they can come closer to inert gases than to any other type of chemical compounds. Their boiling and freezing points do not differ widely from these of parent hydrocarbons. They are completely resistant to oxidation. They resist the action of most of the chemical reagents, including the alkalis, up to relatively high temperature. Uses: fluorocarbon find wide application in industries on account of their non-inflammatory and extreme stability to heat and chemical reagent. The low reactivity of this compound can be attributed to very high carbon fluorine bond energy, that is 485 kJ per mole. The inability of water to coordinate either with fluorine or carbon due to impossibility of the expansion of octet. The resistance of carbon to oxidation by oxygen, because carbon bonded to fluorine can be considered be oxidized, so fluorine can act as a protector of carbon from the oxygen. The substitution of hydrogen by the fluorine atom in this compound does not produce any significant strain in the molecule because of very small size of fluorine atom as compared to the substitution of hydrogen by other halogen atoms. The chief uses of fluorocarbons are as follows. The carbon tetrafluoride is used as a manometric liquid at low temperature. The difluoromethane is widely used in the refrigerators because its low melting point and non-corrosive nature. The chlorofluorocarbons on polymerization give rise to the stable oils, waxes and greases. Such lubricants are known as fluorolubes. They find application as heat transfer media and dielectric media. The tetrafluoroethylene, as polymerization forms polyfluoroethane, commercially known as Teflon. Teflon is inert to chemical attack so much even boiling aqua regia cannot affect it. Therefore, a coating of this plastic help us to save metal equipment against corrosion. It has been applied in generation and handling of fluorine gas.